Why is crypto up today? December 8, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. I continue to look for the market to trade in a $71,000 to $105,000 range for the next 4 to 6 months, says John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served, has also written, Why is crypto up today? December 8, 2025. Why is crypto down today? December 5, 2025. Why is crypto up today? December 4, 2025. Why is crypto up today? December 3, 2025. Why is crypto up today? December 2, 2025. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 55 minutes ago. The week begins green, as the crypto market is up today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization rising by 2.2%. It stands at $3.2 trillion. 90 of the top 100 coins have gone up over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $111 billion. TLDR. Crypto market cap increased by 2.2% on Monday morning, UTC. 90 of the top 100 coins and all top 10 coins have gone up today. BTC increased by 2.4% to $91,532. And ETH is up by 3.3% to $3,133. The correction may take months to complete. The market could trade in a $71,000 to $105,000 range for the next 4 to 6 months. If we have a 2-day close above $108,000, the correction is over. Vitalik Buterin suggests a trustless, on-chain futures market to lock in Ethereum fees. Binance secured 3 new licenses in Abu Dhabi, and Coinbase reopened registration in India. US BTC spot ETFs saw inflows of $54.79 million on Friday, and ETH spot ETFs recorded $75.21 million in outflows. More than 100 publicly traded companies saw their crypto purchase strategies backfire. Crypto market sentiment remains largely the same within the fear category. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices rise over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, is up by 2.4% since this time yesterday, currently trading at $91,532. Bitcoin, BTC, $91, 770.01 plus 5.96% 24H730D1Y all time. Ethereum, ETH, is up by 3.3%, now changing hands at $3,133. This is the highest increase among the 10. The second highest rise is Solana, SOL, S2.8% to $135. The smallest increase in the category is 0.4% by Tron, TRX, currently trading at $0.2869. When it comes to the top 100 coins, 90 have appreciated over the past day. At the top we find Skash, ZEC, with a 9.2% increase to the price of $370. It's followed by Canton, CC, S8%, now changing hands at $0.06749. On the other hand, Monero, XMR, and Memecore, fell the most among the 10 that have gone red over the past day. The former is down 2.8% to $375, while the latter fell 2% to $1.23. These are also the only 2 coins with decreases above 1%. Meanwhile, several notable developments occurred globally. Philippines GoTime Bank has launched crypto trading for its 6.5 million customers through a partnership with U.S. fintech firm Alpaca. Robinhood Markets announced 2 key acquisitions, marking its official entry into the Indonesian market. Binance secured 3 new licenses in Abu Dhabi, and Coinbase reopened registration in India after a 2-year operational hiatus. Correction may take months to complete. John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn, commented how a number of headlines are indicating that BTC's bounce off of the $81,500 level over this past week signals that we are on our way to new highs by year-end. I disagree, he says. He argues that the rule of alternation suggests that if Wave 2 is fairly simple in its ABC formation, then Wave 4 is likely to be complex. To me, what we've seen since the Wave 3 high thus far is only the A wave of the Wave 4 ABC correction, and will take months to complete. I continue to look for the market to trade in a $71,000 to $105,000 range for the next 4 to 6 months, and intend to accumulate BTC in the $72,000 to $84,000 range as the opportunity presents itself, Glover says. If we have a 2-day close above $108,000, I'll make the call that the correction is over and ensure that I have my full long position in place at that time, he concludes. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Monday morning, BTC stood at $91,532. After a brief dip to the intraday low of $87,887, the price jumped to the day's high, so far of $91,786. Moreover, BTC is up 6.3% over the past 7 days, trading in the $84,553 to $93,855 range. It's down 10.3% in a month and 27.3% from its all-time high of $126,080. Clearing and holding the $94,600 level could confirm bullish continuation. In this case, BTC could move towards $100,000. Conversely, the price could drop to the $76,000 level. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,133. Like BTC, ETH saw a brief dip earlier in the day, dropping to the intraday low of $2,941 before jumping to the intraday high of $3,145. It also appreciated just below 11% in a week, trading between the low of $2,736 and the high of $3,222. Meanwhile, ETH is down 9% in a month and 36.7% from its ADH of $4,946. If the bulls continue running, we could see ETH move above $3,230, followed by the $3,300 and $3,380 levels. But a fall below $2,800 may lead to the $2,550 level. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 131.19 plus 11.44% 24H730D1Y all time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment dropped further over the weekend within the fear territory, but then increased slightly on Monday. The crypto fear and greed index moved between 20 and 21 in the previous 2 days, before increasing to 24 today. This index has largely moved between 10 and 25 over the past month, indicating market participants' caution and reflecting the market's own moves within a tight range. ETFs see mixed performance. On Friday, December 5th, after 2 days of outflows, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw $54.79 million in positive flows. The total net inflow is now at $54.79 billion. Of the 12 BTC ETFs, 5 recorded inflows and 1 saw outflows. BlackRock accounts for the entirety of the negative flows, letting go of $32.49 million. On the other hand, ARK and 21 shares added $42.79 million, followed by Fidelity's $27.29 million. The US ETH ETFs posted negative flows on Friday for a second day in a row, with $75.21 million in outflows. The total net inflow pulled back to $12.88 billion. BlackRock is responsible for this entire amount. Of the 9 funds, none recorded inflows. Notably, more than 100 publicly traded companies transformed into crypto-holding vehicles in the first half of 2025, borrowing billions to buy digital tokens, copying Michael Saylor's Bitcoin strategy. However, they have seen median stock prices fall 43% year-to-date despite broader market gains, resulting from the way they fund crypto purchases. Meanwhile, Vitalik Buterin has suggested a trustless, on-chain futures market that would let users lock in future Ethereum transaction fees. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market recorded an increase over the past 24 hours, as did the U.S. stock market during the last session last week. By the closing time on Friday, December 5th, the S&P 500 was up by 0.19%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.43%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.22%. This followed a U.S. inflation report that boosted expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week. Is this rally sustainable? We are likely to see prices rise at least moderately higher in the coming days and, potentially, weeks. Nonetheless, expect the typical short-term decreases. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for December 8, 2025. 10x Research says Bitcoin may look calm on the surface, but the derivatives market is flashing signs of brewing volatility. In its latest weekly report, the firm notes that options traders are buying volatility, downside skew has returned, funding rates have softened, and futures open interest is diverging, all while spot ETFs continue to see net outflows. Despite bullish macro hopes around U.S. liquidity, 10x warns that market structure remains unsupportive, suggesting traders should brace. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pi coin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP. XRP buying spree starting? Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutions pile in as staking hits 3.1 M SOL. Could SOL overtake Bitcoin in 2026? 2 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BlackRock's Larry Fink says sovereign wealth funds are quietly buying Bitcoin. Will their bid push BTC past $100,000? 3 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Year-end $100,000 target alive. Here are the 3 drivers that matter. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 41 minutes ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Ben Beto.